Hi, my name is Vincent. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an ICC termination for a keystone. So if you come here close, first thing you're going to want to do is you want to strip your wire about an inch. You're going to want to cut off your ripcord, which you can also use if you're needing to strip your wire more. We're going to be using an ICC crimp. On these ones you're going to want to use the B protocol as we do, and you're going to want this tab towards you if you're going to be using the easy crimp style tool. You can always use a 110 style punch down as well, but we got the easy crimp, so we're going to use that. So setting this up, we're going to want to get our orange and our brown on this side, green and blue. Go ahead and start unwinding our pairs. We want to keep our pairs as wound as possible to keep our, what would you call it? So let's see. Orange, orange, white, orange. Gravel, we got brown, white, brown. You always kind of want your sheathing to start right there. It's going to start with our solid orange or solid green, and our green white, and lastly our blue pair. We'll unravel, and it will go blue solid, and then blue green. Just like that. I like to pull them on the sides here. Make sure you double check before you crimp. So usually if you did the 110, you want to keep the blade on the outside. So you can punch down like that. We're going to use the nice easy crimp, which again, if you did it so that the tab was towards you, will fit nicely on the inside. Just like that. All of them are nicely crimped down. You're going to want to finish it up with the red cap, and then pull your wire right nicely over. That's an ICC termination for a keystone.